All right, welcome back, everybody. And anybody that's new here, glad you could join me today. And if you guys are seeing this, that's a good thing because the weather is just so crappy out right now. We got this stupid national problem going on, and we got this weather front that just came out of nowhere. It's been rainy and freaking cold, and it was starting to warm up, and I was getting high hopes to just be outside catching fish. So the big thing here today is I'm going to take my panfish rod, a very light, this is, you can barely, here I'll try to show you that little thing right there. That's a little rat finky from Custom Jigs and Spins. It's an ice fishing jig because it's basically ice fishing weather right now. And then a little micro bobber. Nothing else. Probably going to have to use live bait, but I'm going to bring a bunch of plastics with because sometimes those even work better when it's cold because nothing's moving, whatever. I don't know why they work better, but we'll figure it out together. But hopefully, if you're seeing this, we got some fish. A little stocker trout. What kind is that? A little laker? They do exist. Here they're aggressive enough to eat plastics today. Try a black spider. That's what I'm going to put on there. Keep the rat finky on it. Just like that. It's usually a good color. So let's see if they'll bite it. Going all ice fishing. There we go. That's a big one. Look at that guy. There we go. That's kind of what I'm after. I do like that color combo. Couple more big ones, and then maybe I'll keep some. Too small. It's a bass. I believe I caught that guy. Basically sight fished him. Could get bigger. Okay, it would appear something ate my plastic, but it's been really slow, so I'm gonna see if I can get some bigger fish on this waxworm. Hopefully things pick up here. There you go. Trying to get longer. That bigger. Bigger gills are just a little further out, huh? Looks like I just figured something out. Alright guys, so I'm sitting here editing this and I'm realizing how like all over the place it was, and basically like, so I didn't give really good context while I was there. It was cold, I was freezing, there's literally ice like falling off the tree and hitting me in the back of the head that I was standing under. It was pretty bad. This is a different day. I was just looking over this video to edit it for you guys, and I didn't know how to edit it where it would make sense through the whole thing. So I just kind of wanted to do it as raw as possible, where it was like, yeah, I went out for some panfish, ended up finding some random trout. If you guys get this far, this is the end of the video, obviously. If you guys get this far and you know what trout those were, I know I got 2 different kinds at least. I might have got 3 different kinds. I'm pretty sure I got a brookie, a rainbow, and possibly a little baby laker, but I don't know. So I'm not a trout guy. I'm never going to claim to be one. I want to get into them. I've caught them. I've caught all species of trout. I just don't know them real well, especially when they're little like that. So if you guys know, comment below, please. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed today's mess of a video. Obviously, if you're not new here, you know what's up. If you are new, can you please just remember to